The goal of this project was less about producing a wheel for the market. It really was a concept wheel to really show the possibilities of additive manufacturing. The design of this wheel was a lot more challenging because we've never designed for additive before, so we had a lot of new learning that had to take place.
So the process that we're using here is called electron beam melting. This is an additive manufacturing process where parts are made by melting a bed of powder on top of a build plate, layer by layer, until your parts form. Because it's an electron beam, the process is very quick. Ultimately, you can print very large parts very quickly when you compare it to laser or other type of processes that are similar. You still have a lot of thermal supports that you still need to remove from that part. Typically that's done with hand tools, so you can either break it away by hand until you're left with just the part without any supports.
There's a lot of design rules for additive that we need to relay to the customer, and this marriage back and forth between what makes a good wheel design and how can that design be adapted for additive is really what makes this involvement with HRE more interesting.
It opened up a lot of opportunities for different shapes, different surfaces, and different techniques. For example, the interlacing of spokes, hollow areas around the wheel, even the multiple parts is something that we've never done before.
So while we know the size capability of the machines coming in the near future will allow us to print a wheel as one piece, when we did this project, we needed to break the part up into 6 individual pieces.
This wheel will look a lot different than any wheel you've ever seen before. And additive manufacturing allowed us to do some of these shapes. After going through this process with GE, it really opens your eyes as to the possibilities in wheel design.
I think it's like nothing else out there, and we're excited for the future.